me $14.80, y'all. Bruh. I went and bought Fenty for almost $100. But bought this for $14.80. Welcome back to my channel. iamlashondacapri here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You know it never goes unnoticed, and I thank you guys all the time for supporting me on my YouTube channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about a couple things before I jump into the video. So yes, I've been a little MIA on YouTube for about a week now, maybe going on a week now. I've been super busy. As you guys know, my baby's birthday was yesterday, and my family also flew in. So had to get ready for my family to fly in, and I had to get ready for a birthday party. So I took a couple days off, but now your girl is back. I'm full effect. I'm ready to do this, and yeah. So also, before I jump into the video, I want to talk to you guys about something that I posted on Instagram. So on Instagram, I did a story asking you guys to ask my mother some questions, and we would do a Q&A video together and answer those questions. I would have my mom answer those questions for you. So far, you guys have sent in a lot of great questions from my mom. Thank you, thank you, thank you so far for that. But right now, on this video, if you had to pause it or type while you looking, leave my mom some questions down below so we can get this video out to you guys. You can ask her whatever. Don't ask disrespectful things, you know what I mean. But ask whatever you want. Most of you guys are asking things about my childhood and stuff like that, which is totally fine. Leave all the questions down below, and my mom will absolutely answer all of you guys' questions. We will do a video answering all you guys' questions. So right now, like I said, pause the video or type while you're looking and ask my mom some questions down in the comments. So now, to get into what we're getting into for this video today, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, I am trying a new face product. Now, this face product, I have been literally trying to try it for the past maybe 7 months now, but I finally got my hands on it. It's finally back in stock. I've been trying to get it literally probably since the beginning of the pandemic, COVID started. So yeah, I was finally able to go to Ulta and pick it up. I literally grabbed the last one. I was very, very lucky to get it because the lady was like, hold on, I don't know if we got it, but let me look. She was like nice enough to double check, and she did, and I got the last one. So let me stop rambling. I know you guys want to see the product, and the product that I am trying is the Ordinary. I am trying the Ordinary product. This is called Buffet. Now, this brand I've been hearing really good reviews about. As you guys know, I went and bought the whole entire Fenty Skin line. Now, if you guys watch my review, my honest review on Fenty Skin, me trying it, I did 2 videos. I will link them up here somewhere or down below in the videos if you guys want to check that out. But I used the entire Fenty Skin products, and some of them worked for me and some of them did not work for me. So I was thinking, maybe if I try this product and follow it up with the Fenty Skin and add it to my facial routine, maybe I will get better results, or maybe it would, work together and kind of like, make your girl face popping or something, So that's what I'm going to be doing. So like I said, this is called the Buffet. If you guys don't really understand where to get the name from, if you've ever been to a buffet where you go out to eat, they have different foods you can choose from. This is kind of where they got the name from. Because if I read to you what are the targets for this product, it is surface hydration, fine lines, wrinkles, which your girl is getting older, dynamic lines, and last but not least, textural irregularities. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 targets for your face. Also on the Ordinary's website, it states that this product is alcohol-free, silicone-free, nut-free, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and it has a pH balance between 4.50 and 5.50. Now, I know this brand, they do break it down different products. So for one product you can just do hydration, the next product you can just do wrinkles, another product you can just do fine lines, but this product has everything in one. And this, guys, when I tell you, this product is very, very inexpensive. It's very affordable. It's better to just buy this product rather than buying one by one. That's if you need each and every target that's in this bottle, which I did. I need every single target that's in this bottle. It is cheaper to buy this. When I tell you this bottle, this right here, y'all, this cost me $14.80. This cost me $14.80, y'all. Bruh. I went and bought Fenty for almost $100, but bought this for $14.80. So I have tried different serums before, and they were okay. But I'm really excited to try this. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be trying this on camera for you guys. And I am going to be coming back in a few weeks to give you guys an update on me using this product. And I want to continue to use the Fenty Skin with adding this and see maybe it can kind of balance it out type deal. So yeah. Now, I've already went here and I cleaned my face. I got a fresh face. I am going to go ahead and put on some of the Fenty Skin Fat Water Toner Serum. That's what I'm going to do now. And I just like to pat this in my face. I don't like to rub it. I like to pat it into my face. Let me move my scarf up. But I like to pat this gently into my face. And y'all, this product feels good. I like this product. It's not that sticky. So, anywho. And I let it dry for a couple seconds. It really doesn't need to dry too much. It kind of dries pretty fast. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the Ordinary, again, buffet. If you hungry, girl, get the buffet. Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to open this up. This is a 30 milliliter and it equals to 1 fluid ounce. So yes. And this is clinical formulations with integrity. Integrity. Hear that? That part. Anywho. So this is what the bottle looks like. I absolutely like how the bottle looks. It is super, super simple, but elegant at the same time. Like, it looks really good. It looks like, when you see this, why wouldn't you want to buy it? Let me come up close and let me show you guys. This is what the product looks like. Okay, I'm going to read to you guys real quick the directions. It says, apply to entire face in the AM and PM after cleaning your face. Obviously, you want to make sure you do this on a fresh, clean face. And it says, if irritation occurs, use and consult a physician. Make sure you stop using it and consult your doctor, physician, okay? Use only as directed, okay, on unbroken skin. So I would not recommend you use this if you have an open cut or open bump that's just ridiculously open, and just don't put this on your face, okay? Don't put this on your face. But yeah, so I am going to be using this in AM and PM. Right now it is nighttime when I'm recording this. It's actually midnight. So I'm going to be using this at nighttime. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I want to smell it. I'm really literally dying to smell this product. So let me smell. Y'all, it has no smell. The first ingredient in this is obviously water, agua. It's the first ingredient, and the next ingredient is glycerin. Now, I use glycerin in my kids' hair and my hair, and I love glycerin. If you don't know what glycerin is for, it's for locking in moisture, hydration, and everything that's really, really good for your hair, your skin. You can use glycerin for just about anything. So if you have not tried some glycerin, get you some, girl. Get you some. So yeah. Let's try this bad boy out. So, now I heard it is bad to actually, like, when you have like a Doppler like this, or a Serum dropper, whatever you guys call this thing, you don't want to put this directly on your face. So I'm going to just drop the drops on my face. So I'm gonna come here and drop one. I'm gonna come on my forehead, drop one. I'm gonna come on this side and drop one. I'm gonna go a little bit on my nose here and then on my chin. Maybe just a little bit right here more. Okay. And hopefully a little bit goes a long way with this product. So here we go. And you wanna make sure you put this on before your moisturizer. It does not have a smell so far, and I absolutely like that so far. I don't have any tingling yet. I don't feel any tingling. It's actually really cool and gentle so far. It doesn't feel sticky. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my chin area. Just do it like that and then just, there we go. And I'm gonna do a little bit on my neck. You know, you need to make sure you take care of your neck too, okay? Your neck be telling your age around here in these streets. Make sure you get your neck, because your neck give away your age, honey. Okay, 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 okay. So I'm gonna wait like a couple minutes, a couple seconds real quick. It's been about a good minute, you guys. Now it is just like a slither sticky, but I think it is because of the Fenty Beauty Fat Water. That may be why, because this is my first time using these all together. But my face, I don't feel any tingling so far. It feels refreshing so far. It does say, you know, to kind of watch and see if you have any reaction to it or anything like that. And I do have sensitive skin, and so far I'm not getting or seeing any reaction. My skin isn't red. I'm not burning or anything like that. So far so good. Like I said, it does not have a smell. And literally, guys, like a little bit goes a long way. This will last me like a good 6 months. I'm so serious. And again, I really like the packaging. So far, I like it. When I use products, I look for it to burn my face. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I look for it to be sticky as hell. I look for it to have some type of dye in it, some type of smell. Because usually face products, they do. They have some type of dye, some type of color, some type of burning sensation. Just, you know, that's what facial products tend to have. So that's what I was looking for in this product. But so far so good. Eventually I do want to try other products by The Ordinary as well. They have like a couple pills that I want to try. They have like this caffeine serum that I want to try, and I will be doing a video on that as well for you guys in the near future. So be on the lookout for that. Hopefully this product will do me some good, because I really want to be able to get rid of my dry skin here, and maybe, you know, get a little bit more hydration into my, you know, my system. I need this hydration. You know, your girl ain't getting younger, I'm getting older. So I definitely want to get in control of my, you know, taking care of my face and my dry skin and stuff like that, because, you know, I'm a video creator and an influencer. So I want to be able to share products with you guys that work for our skin tones and our skin period, for dry skin. So yeah, so far I'm liking it. And you know, I have like a blemish right there, like a bump right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. We'll see how that does with it. But yeah, so far my face feels soft, and my face is not sticky no more at all. It just like is not sticky at all no more. And it feels smooth. It doesn't feel as dry. It actually feels really soft. So I'm excited about this product. I can't wait to see, you know, I'm gonna use it for 2 weeks, come back and give you guys an update. Use it for a month, come back and give you guys an update. And I'm gonna give you 100% honest update, okay? You're not gonna worry about your girl line and stuff like that, because this video is not sponsored. They're not paying me. This came out of my own pocket, paid for this with my own money. So yeah, y'all gonna get the real deal. Honest review. Now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my moisturizer. Now, typically I wash my face, put on my toner, put on a serum, and my moisturizer. You can put on as many serums as you want, but make sure you put on your toner, then your serums, and then your moisturizer. Obviously, you wanna make sure you have a clean face. So wash your face, follow it with a toner. After your toner, use your serums, as many serums as you have, use them. And then use a moisturizer. But I'm gonna give this a try for a couple weeks, 2 weeks, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys know. That is the end of this video. Y'all, like, get into it. Look at my face. glowing, honey. Glowing. I really don't get too many blemishes on my face. But anyways, that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go out and get you some of the Ordinary buffet. Try it with me. Let me know down in the comments. If you've already tried, let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear you guys' story, whether it broke you out. Why is it good? Why is it not good? Please share with me. Let me help you and you help me. So, yes. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Leave me down some positive comments. If you made it this far in the video, leave me down some stars in the comments. And don't forget to ask my mother some questions down below, because we will be doing a video together very, very soon for you guys. And I'm really excited about that. And yeah, like I said in every video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up this video. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And like I say in all my videos, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.